Hi, good afternoon friends. So today is 2nd June 2026 और टाइम हो गया है अभी आपका 3:37 3:37. So I'll try to make this video in as much as possible in English because someone has requested that kindly make it in English so it will be easier for everybody to understand. Now, if I see this is the chart which I discussed with you. This is the same chart which I saved it on this investing. So today the Nifty has shown a high of 23,556 at one point of time, and after that in my Discord I updated also. We kindly try to book the profit, and it closed below 500. So now I thought I should update it. What is the next move and how it's going to take place? So see, as I told you, the Nifty is buy on dip. So that's and today and in one of my video I mentioned also कि in Monday by chance if you see the 300 or 350 kind of level, you please buy. So that level didn't came on Monday, but that level came on today. So technical always comes into play. Sometimes it's only matter of 1 or 2 days, or probably 1 or 2 trading days. Ultimately, the level always comes if you're reading chart right. Then only. If you're reading chart wrong, then you can't guarantee it. Now the point is that we I thought I should update you. See, it's not that if I'm saying 24,900 buy on dip, so it's not that I have converted into bull. Market is still weak, indexes is still weak, and it's only a dead cat bounce which I expected it because my target is quite much below. So that is something which I wanted to update. So today, 550 level we have seen. Tomorrow I'm expecting a gap down or probably a bearish kind of start. That is the reason I asked my in my group in my Discord channel to exit the calls and tomorrow again try to buy at a lower price. Probably we might see 23,400 or 23 below that also. So that will be the perfect level to buy again. And I'm not sure whether we see 23,900 or 800 or not, but minimum 23 650 or 700 or 750 kind of level. 650 to 750, between 650 to 750 it will try to make the high, and that will be the day will be either on third or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Only 2 days, because after that I'm expecting a decent correction. Decent correction. How much? That will should be minimum to minimum. At least if I see after that, if the market goes here, let's see. Let me add this. Okay, this is the target line. Let's say 23,700. So from here, I'm expecting a minimum. If I just take this consideration. So the minimum, yes, this gap will also fill 22,500. Yes, perfect. That is the level which I'm expecting after seeing the 23,700. So 22,500 and 23,700, there's a difference of 1,000 to 1,200 points, and that is the fall which I always explain in my videos. That is due, and that point of time, this gap will also fill. See, this gap is still not filled. Whatever the fall came yesterday and today, but they have saved this gap. So this gap, which is already due from the April months only, so this will also fill, and I'm expecting at least market to come to 22,500 or 22,600 after third or fourth. So ideally, once you see 650 or 700, you should start adding the puts, and whatever the puts you want to decide, you can take it. Strike, everybody knows what strike they are going to take, and this fall should complete. Let's say if it start on fourth, second half, fourth, fifth, and eighth, maximum in 3 days you will get the target. Three big red candle you will get it, and then we will decide what to do. So today I tried to explain everything, which is what I think the market is going to take place. So this is how. So don't wait for 20, 22, 23,900 or 850. If you are able to see 23 650 or 700 or 750 kind of thing, you try to exit it because it's only a dead cat bounce. Market structure is still weak, and there are lots of news. So but rest of the things, everybody is there. Everybody is there to tell you that what is FIS data and all, and crude and all. But as a technical chart analysis, I only see the chart. I watch the news also, but I try to avoid it because I get influenced sometimes. So that is the reason I try to avoid the news. However, now, as I told you, first tomorrow I'm expecting a bearish start. If it start on a bullish note also, then also I won't be a buyer at that level. I'll wait for 23 400 kind of level to buy, and to buy for 20 22 so 23 650 or 700. If I don't get that level, then I just wait. I won't trade, and I will short at rise, which will be on third and fourth. So that is something which I want to tell you. I hope everybody got it. And just one disclaimer that this is all my personal views. And if you want to use it for trading purpose, then please consult a financial advisor before. Since I'm not a registered technical analysis, this is only for education purpose. Okay, thank you very much.